Germany is a country in Western Europe. People have lived in the land that we now call Germany since before 100 AD. Today, although many people from many different countries and religions live in Germany, the dominant religion in Germany is Christianity. Dominant means strongest. Christianity arrived slowly in Germany, but by 1100 AD, most people in Germany were Christian. Many of the national holidays celebrated in Germany are Christian holidays. One of the most important holidays celebrated is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated for almost a month, with many smaller holidays observed during that time. Observed means celebrated. One of the most visible ways that the Germans celebrate Christmas is with their Christmas markets. Christmas markets. Christmas markets are special events that take place during the 4 weeks leading up to Christmas. Each market is set up in a central square or location and has a number of different stalls. A stall is a little building from which items can be sold. The square and the stalls have many lights and often have music playing. It is a very festive atmosphere. Festive means happy. When at the Christmas market, people can just stroll along the stalls and look at what is for sale. Stroll means to walk slowly. They can drink hot wine that is made at the market and is a traditional drink there. Often, people will buy some of the items as Christmas gifts for their family or friends. The stalls sell wooden toys, dolls, candles, and Christmas ornaments. There are also stalls that sell special foods associated with Christmas, like roasted chestnuts, a kind of nut, and special holiday cookies and cakes. Some of the Christmas markets in Germany are very old and very well known. The Christmas market in Frankfurt is one of the oldest Christmas markets in the country. It is over 600 years old. The Frankfurt Christmas market has over 200 stalls that sell many different kinds of toys, art, and food. There is a very large Christmas tree in the center of the market, which is held in one of the very traditional squares in the city. Throughout the Christmas season, many concerts are held at the market. Another famous Christmas market in Germany is the one in Nuremberg. This market is well known for its children's Christmas market. In addition to the nearly 200 stalls at the market, there are also rides for the children. These rides include a carousel, a ride with horses that goes in a circle, and a train. This is also one of the most traditional markets in Germany. Many of the stalls are made of wood, and the goods sold at the market are all very classic and traditional. There are few modern items to buy. Germany is a beautiful country with many interesting traditions. One of the most classic and fun to see in person, however, is the Christmas market. Nearly every town in Germany has a Christmas market. Some are big and some are small. All are worth visiting.